And you solve it. Guess what, my friends? My new punk boy found a stupid new name. He never reliving his old name again. Reliving his disappointment. Senor Standard, Senor Ruth, how am I to memorable mentors? Plus memorable mentor number 2. And fellas, what is my new name? Punk boy. Senor Kerber, you miss old flabby one. You're just like me, pal. I just hand over, but hand it over mean hand it over. But signal loss. Oh wow. I believe you should put me on the MFK karate school when you had a chance to put me in the karate school. I want to learn more martial art here on Earth. Oh wow, Mr. Daniel, Evan's father, apologize for such radical behavior. I apologize, my son, Mr. Summers. He's talking about that right now. I'll go talk with him. Old Evan's old man. Miss Pentava, you ought to make your old man proud, but disappointing was your big mistake. I put it up here. You ought to tell everyone your honesty, but baby, you should tell everyone your honesty. And stating to your reputation traitor. I'm a dependent, not dependent humiliation. Me reliving my disappointment. Mr. Yoba, he's too cruel in prison, just like Butch and Cassie that they end up in the same thing. The Champois never bailed us out. Oh, Butch the green blue wannabe, his assistant. They want devastating payback since Canto days. Ooh. Mr. James and Jesse, their nightmares want out revenge. I say it's payback time. Cassidy and Butch, James and Jesse, Jesse and Cassidy, Butch and Cassidy, those knuckles, Butch and James, you remind me of some troublemakers, I are mop the sword floor. I'm not good impatient. Keith, you mean Spectra. Spectra mop the royal palace floors that Zeno held. And you just hand it over before you go, but to your pebble brains, do you remember that? Keep guarding, my dear. We really start miss our old comrades, won't we? I better see my cat. Getting about clubs. It's a shame. The old man rainy weather here. My old man rainy weather man. Mother Nature, sweet Mother Nature man. It's not nothing. It's not nice. Not nice. When you met Mother Nature. Well, Mother Nature here on Mother Earth after many years. So she Mother, since she's in the womb of her lifetime to Kate amigo to recover. You better give me that almost pop up. That's right. You just be a positive about whatever you're positive attitude, huh, tip guy? I don't want to hear it. I'd be happy to put end to your negative attitude of yours, even if it cost me, even if it cost. See, you just hand it over. You just hand it over. My pebble breath. Remember the last person said no? Do you remember that? Last person ended up there hiding prison. Ooh. Oh, but are you kidding me? Some last 29 years for you. Can you keep up? You're just afraid to admit it. You're just gonna fall short one of these days. You don't want your bossy attitude by you. You sucker. Look who's talking. How disrespect. That disrespectful behavior. It's gonna be your own downfall one of these. Okay. I don't want to. I think I've had enough of your negative attitude. It makes me mad. You never told me your emotional meltdown, numerous tensions you had in the past. Not to mention, being mean to everyone. Sweetie, that's gonna be your own personal downfall one of these days, darling. Cheap godling out, we won't be able. Too bad you won't be able to get to see it when we get to have you humiliate all text history. #1 straight up. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Ooh. It's a shame. Spectra. Miss Laurie, you sound just like somebody who. I guess that's right. And Susie? Ah, he's right. So the fury must destined releasing his ignorant. They named Dr. Trask. You mean Dr. Do you mean Dr. Polaroid Trask? Well, fellas, what did you expect? Former shield agent. Dr. Trask. Himself, I give him here. He only seeing the cruise like his instant. What is happening? Dr. Trask is the one behind the weapon of his. So the entire time it was him all real, like the real criminal suspect behind the scene. Rest that I chuck or solved by surprise. Solved by, let me put it simply, like, oh man, are you kidding me? You like to instead of me, Dad. I've been your son last 29 years for you. I just want to impress you, old man. But how about you want to make your husband and your old man? You just want to make those two gentlemen be proud. Not this. Oh man, just 17 degrees. Do you remember where last person refused? Do you ever remember last person said no? I get to get in there. You're hearing enough much as I want. Now, Bob, you're not into. Would you two out of the way? Would you lame yesterday lame but out of the way? I've had enough of you lame but you know everything how to. Well, enough is enough, but enough is enough. But he's right, Father. That's what suck only room. But once upon Commander in Chief, traitors, it is time. Every military soldier, every military traitor who works. Ooh, I know. I guess he'd like to become, but yeah, it was a little brainstorming like he doesn't want to have. Only a worthy person will get. Who's the worthy one? Trustworthy in this family. In this family point of view, moron. It is me. Hey, ladies. Yeah, ladies. Ooh, darling. Ooh, he gets so distracted by countless pretty girls, Your Highness. Ooh. Mr. Sampson, he gets so ho distracted. You maniac! Not to mention your majesty letting his confidence letting his guard. Things how about you just do not want to charge this but well, moron. Only a room, one master control room. Me over you to try. Who's the trash heaps? It is you to the one who's you and Big and who's major trash heap. People but dead weight against me. None of the word. You do just. It's FBI. It's Commander Bill. Wait, Commander. I give anything. Susie. That's right. I always let my guard down lately. Dan, you must. Chief Randy, bye boss. But boss, you sound just like our boss, Chief Kevin Hera. You sound just like him. Meet that you sound just like our old boss in case you know. Hey man, you and Kevin Hera known each other for long? Chief Hera, we met. Chief Randy, yo. So if not you are just like me, the little boy. You really gotta lose your weight, pal. Look at ya. You were a bit messy when I first met you. You were a bit Mr. Senor now, just when I first saw you. I said the NO. Ooh. Come on. Just hand it but hand it over. And you have absolutely no shame. You're the shameless person. Shame. You're also shameful, useless, YouTube channel. I'm plenty useful in this body of mine. You be useful. I don't want to hear that. Not another word from you, lame brain. You see, in all my life, I was jealous of you. Yo, Marlon, not the only one who felt jealous. Because you are not the only one who felt jealous, pal. Yeah. Whoa, Miss Jamie. Miss Jamie, you have betrayed us. More to kidnap. Oh, more. Miss Jamie. Miss Jamie. Hi. How dare you at what? Miss Jamie, yo, ninja boy, nothing on revenge video. It's Miss Jamie. He's going to toy your sign onto something. Yeah, or something snapping young one. This young one. You see, if what to do to have him in front of your colleague, let's see how you like it. But I don't want to hear another one complain from you, lame brain, anytime. Misty and Brock want to visit Alola, damn it. Another new region, Pizza Canton. Alola. Mr. Sisters be all dead. Oh, yeah, not missing. Actually, his mom will be gone. Karaoke, especially his dear grandpa, Professor Samuel Oki, he'll be gone as well. Everyone be all gone. Oh, yeah. We might sack of a troublemaker. Not likely when we live after what they did, especially what they did to him. I don't even know what they did. Call me a mean. Susie, let's see. Old man, leave Susie smoking habit. Leave that habit of his to me, old man. Thank you very much. Yes. So careless, obviously. Who's time back going to the old man? Go on, old man. Leave Susie and that greedy smoking habit to me. But old man, go on, leave that to me. Old man. Great, out of here. And welcome to Cookie Jammies. You think that's very amusing? I'll give you something. Ooh, Brain Boy gets so distracted, you maniac. By countless pretty ladies around you. Ooh, lover boy, Mr. Sam. What he up to? Oh, he cared about his money. He think all that money will bring him universal amount of happiness next. Not until, my money? I don't think so, peasant. Not until you Burberry pay me back what you done. Yes, that's gonna be much. Will you share my Labor Day next year with you, coward? Not the next thousands of years. You just, Miss Pencilhead. Talk to Donatello. Excuse me, my friend. Go on. Leave Miss Shannon to me, but leave her to me. Miss Pencilhead. Talk to Donatello, and I don't like that. The way you insulted her the way. My darling, you just made the biggest mistake. Ignorant moron. Oh, I love you. Wait there. Sorry, bye, baby. After what they did to me. Me forgive them that easy? Ho ho ho. That's not love. Oh yeah. Wicked sorry, but once and for all, baby. Now, sucker. You're the prize. Purple Dragon will have you on a whack. You're sorry, but once and for all. Casey Jones. Casey Jones never forget the day his father's killed by a hun. There's the same way. Her comrade, her cruiser getting the butt whipped.